Craving a comforting, nutritious meal that's easy to make? Look no further than this delicious vegetable soup recipe. Packed with healthy veggies and bursting with flavor, this one-pot wonder is perfect for any day of the week. At the heart of this soup are fresh, colorful vegetables. Onions, carrots, and celery form the aromatic base, while potatoes add heartiness. Cabbage and peas round out the veggie mix, but feel free to use whatever is in season or already in your fridge. The beauty of this recipe lies in its flexibility. The light, flavorful broth combines tomato paste, canned tomatoes, and your choice of stock. Garlic, fennel seeds, bay leaves, and a touch of red pepper flakes infuse the soup with a delightful blend of flavors. A splash of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice at the end brightens the taste and makes all the flavors pop. Making this soup couldn't be simpler. Start by sautéing the onions, carrots, and celery with tomato paste and olive oil. Add the garlic and spices, then pour in the broth and remaining ingredients. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Toss in some frozen peas for the last few minutes, and your soup is ready to serve. Want to customize your soup? Add protein with beans or lentils, or toss in some pasta for extra substance. Make it creamy with a splash of milk, or blend it for a smooth texture. The possibilities are endless, so get creative with your favorite vegetables and seasonings. This vegetable soup isn't just delicious, it's also a nutritious choice that will make you feel good. It's light yet satisfying, and perfect for meal prep. Store it in the fridge for up to 4 days, or freeze individual portions for quick, healthy meals anytime. So grab your favorite pot and start chopping those veggies. In no time, you'll be enjoying a steaming bowl of homemade vegetable soup that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds.